Basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong
And we are now back to the ball game. This is our 4th game of the day. It's our 16 under division. It's Trotter Batang Laguna versus Liceo de San Pablo. Unfortunately, again, our 3rd game of the day was declared forfeited or default. So we're now witnessing our 16 under division. Villanueva tries a 3. That's no good. Here comes Panganiban. Panganiban looking for his teammate. Here comes Mendoza. Mendoza lays it in. No good. Rubia on that rebound. Reyes. Back to Rubia. Reyes. Recto. Recto to Ferrer. Launches. No good. Soriano secures that rebound. Mendoza gives the ball to Kalangi. Finds Fernandez underneath. That's too strong for Aaron Clyde. Rubia launches a 3. It's no good. Ferrer on that rebound. And it's a traveling violation on Recto. Still no point for both sides with under 9 minutes left. For opening quarter, Kalangi to Mendoza. And Mendoza will launch a 3. No good. Villanueva on that rebound on the fast break, coast to coast. Yuri no good. Rebound goes to Vince Kalangi. Kalangi finds Panganiban. Shout out to Coach Leonard Pasco, who's watching our Facebook Live coverage now. And once again, this is Chor Dumali, and I will be your game caster for today's game. Mendoza with a steal. He finds Panganiban. Panganiban will be fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 0, Reyes. First personal foul and first team foul. Panganiban finds Kalangi, but here's a steal by Villanueva. Here comes Villanueva, lays it in. No good. Reyes on that rebound. Reyes spins. Reyes launches, no good. Fernandez with that rebound. Gives the ball to Kalangi. Kalangi, what a pass to Mendoza. It's no good. Reyes penetrates the defense of Fernandez and gets that basket. Mab on the letter. Mendoza spins. Mendoza launches 2 points. Villanueva tries a 3. That's no good. Rubia couldn't save that ball. Bola mapupunta sa Liceo de San Pablo. Kalangi gives the ball to Panganiban. Panganiban trying to attack, and he launches a 2. It's no good. Rebound goes to Reyes. Reyes attacking. Reyes goes to coast. Reyes loses that ball. It's out of bounds. Possession will remain on the side of Trotter X Batang Laguna. Villanueva for 3, no good. Tolentino fresh from the bench on that rebound. Here comes Kalangi. That's short for Vince. And we have a foul on jersey number 2, Rubia. That will be his first personal foul, second team foul for Trotter X Batang Laguna. And again, mga ka-Velvet, this is just our 4th game of the day, but this will be the last game for Inter Club because At 2:15 p.m., the Battle of the Pride of each cities and municipalities here in Laguna will start with our Velvet Laguna Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament, 17 under and 25 under divisions. And for those of you who wants to watch it live, you can go here sa San Pablo City Central Elementary School Amante Gymnasium to witness these amazing matchups that we have for today for our Intertown Basketball Tournament. And back to the ball game. It's Recto to Reyes. Reyes gives the ball to Montaña and he gets that basket also fresh from the bench. We have jersey number 20, Montaña. And Liceo will lose that possession. A chance for Trotter to take the lead. Recto to Rubia on the other side. Rubia, that's too strong. He then secures that rebound. Gives the ball to Kalangi. Mendoza launches at long one. No good. Reyes to Villanueva. Villanueva attacks, lays it in, and it's good for Yuri Villanueva. Kalangi answers. That's no good. Tolentino loses that possession. And Reyes on the fast break. Reyes lays it in. 2 points. And the timeout will be called by Liceo de San Pablo. Official score is 8-4 in favor of Trotter.
Lahat tayo ay mananalo kahit mag-beast mode, atir lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Teka wait pare, paso mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi man
We are back to the ball game after the timeout from Liceo de San Pablo. And Coach Jackie will now deploy Coronado inside. Coronado and Bautista actually inside to replace Kalangi and Soriano. And we can now also see Coach Algin Banaag of Liceo de San Pablo entering the court. We're going to the bench of Liceo. Villanueva gets that ball and we have a foul. It's a foul on jersey number 10, Tolentino. That will be his first personal foul and first team foul for Liceo de San Pablo. And of course, we would like to greet an advance happy birthday to Coach Algin Banag, who will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Coach Al, from your Velvet South basketball family. Villanueva for his second throw. No good. Lian Panganiban on that rebound. Mendoza steps on that line. See turnover for Liceo de San Pablo. Reyes on the ladder. Reyes trying to attack. He launches that short. Here comes Mendoza. Mendoza on the ladder. Mendoza loses that ball. Out of bounds. Ball will go back to the side of Liceo de San Pablo. As we approach our 3-minute mark of our first quarter. Coronado to Bautista, back to Coronado, finds Panganiban. Panganiban matatapikan. And Mendoza recovers that ball. Mendoza launches a 2. It's good. And the timeout will be called by Trotter Batang Laguna. We will be back after this timeout.
Patika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sinta
Reyes to Rubia. Rubia is in trouble. Rubia gives the ball to Montaña. Montaña, what a pass to Bael, but that's too strong para dito ay just number 1, Bael. Coronado finds Bautista, back to Coronado. Coronado finds Panganiban. Panganiban penetrates and he ties that ball game. Rubia will launch a 3. It's too strong para dito kay Rubia. Areza on that rebound. It's the ball to Coronado. Coronado to Bautista, back to Coronado, and he's setting up that play. Coronado back to Bautista. Bautista will launch a long one. No good. Panganiban on the follow-up. Still no good. Montaña. It's a rebound. Reyes lays it in, and it's good. Areza to Coronado. Coronado finds Lian. Lian back to Coronado. Binalik kay Panganiban, and Panganiban attacks. 2 points para dito kay Lian. Andre Panganiban. Score the line is all 10. And here comes Rubia will get a foul. Foul on jersey number 17, Areza. First shot is good para dito kay Rubia. Second shot is also good. And now a chance to make it a 3-point lead for Trotter. 3-for-3 para dito kay jersey number 2, Rubia. Areza attacks. It's no good, and we have a whistle against jersey number 17, Areza. That's back-to-back fouls para dito kay Areza. That will be his second personal foul, 13th foul. Under a minute left for opening quarter. Relieta to Montaña. Montaña lays it in, no good. Montaña gets that basket with a foul. And it's whistled against jersey number 10, Tolentino. That will be Jayo's second personal foul and a warning for penalty para dito sa Blue Lions. Montaña completes that 3-point play opportunity para dito sa Trotter. It's a 6-point lead for Trotter X Batang Laguna with 40 seconds left. Coronado to Bautista, back to Coronado. Coronado. Soriano. That perimeter, no good. Chance to extend the lead. Here comes Rubia. Tries another 3. Still no good para dito kay Rubia sa ating 3-point area. Areza to Soriano, no good. Relieta on that rebound. Relieta. Dancing Relieta spins. Relieta finds Gekolea. Gets a buzzer beater 2-pointer para dito sa Trotter Batang Laguna. End of the first quarter. Official score is 18-10. And we will be back with our second quarter only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Nakinig sa mga payo at dahil yan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
And this is the start of our second quarter. Still witnessing an epic battle between Trotter X Batang Laguna versus Liceo de San Pablo for a 16 under division. And of course, before we proceed with our second quarter, we would like to acknowledge and thank our partners and sponsors for helping us make Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs possible. Of course, we have AG Sports Apparel, Component Clothing, JEJ Auto Care, Brotherhood Barbershop, Blue Steel Enterprise, and of course we have our official media partner, Velvet Media Incorporated by Cap JJ Maghirang. Back to the ball game. Here comes Relieta. Relieta Warapayas, pero makikita dito ni Soriano. Soriano will be fouled. It's a foul on Montana. First personal foul and first team foul. Starting the second quarter para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna, we have jersey number 30, Relieta. Jersey number 1, Bael. Jersey number 13, Gekolea. Jersey number 20, Montana. And jersey number 2, Rubia. And speaking of Relieta, there's Relieta. And the follow-up by Montana is good. Meanwhile, for Liceo de San Pablo, we have jersey number 2, Kalangi. Jersey number 16, Fernandez. Jersey number 31, Bautista. Jersey number 17, Aresa. And jersey number 9, the Channel Giant, Leon Andre Panganiban. Reyes on the ladder. Reyes finds Rubia. Rubia back to Reyes. And Reyes, what a pass to Montana. 2 points. Mendoza. Is fouled. And Mob is down. It's a whistle against Rubia. Nope, Mob is okay for that fall. First shot for Coronado is no good. Second shot still no good. Bael on that rebound. Reyes, tapped by Kalangi. But that's Villanueva recovers that ball. Villanueva. And the ball will remain on the side of Trotter X Batang Laguna. With 7 seconds to shoot para dito sa Trotter. Villanueva launches a long one. That's no good. Reyes. Gives the ball to Reyes. And Reyes launches it to. It's no good. Kalangi. To Panganiban. To Fernandez. It's too strong. Panganiban. Back to Fernandez. Fernandez will be fouled. And on the free throw line, we have Aaron Clyde Fernandez. First shot no good para dito kay Aaron Clyde. Second shot is good. Villanueva tap by Kalangi, and Kalangi in a fast break. Kalangi lays it in, 2 points. And a timeout will be called by Trotter X Batang Laguna. We will be back after this timeout, only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Magigpig, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na
And the rest will step on that line. And shout out, of course, so our audience is here who's watching our Facebook Live. Coronado on that rebound. Gives the ball to Kalangi. Aresa. What a pass to Panganiban. It's a traveling violation para dito kay Lian. Reyes on the leather. Reyes gives the ball to Yuri. Villanueva. Gives the ball to Aguilar. Reyes launches. It's no good. And Bael launches. It's no good. Panganiban gives the ball to Coronado. Coronado stops and launches. We have a foul. It's on jersey number 2. Kalangi. Reyes. On that leather, Reyes gives the ball to Rubia. Rubia launches a 3. Still no basket for the 3-point area para dito kay Rubia. Kalangi gives the ball to Areza. Areza back to Kalangi. Kalangi penetrates 2 points. Reyes on that offensive rebound. Reyes on the follow-up, no good. And Villanueva gets a basket. My kasama by foul. It's a foul on Leon Andre. That's his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa Liceo de San Pablo. .14 to shoot para dito sa Liceo. Areza stops and fires. And he gets that basket. Ferrer on the letter. Ferrer finds Villanueva. Reyes back to Ferrer. And Ferrer out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Blue Lions. Under 4 minutes left for second quarter. And we can also now see pride of Barangay Santa Isabel, Adrian Tapay, watching our Facebook Live. Villanueva, what a pass to Aguilar. 2 points. Areza to Kalangi. Lilis now up to 8 para dito sa Trotter, ex-Batang Laguna. Kalangi gives the ball to Areza and he will launch a 3. That's no good para dito kay Areza. And Villanueva stops and fires a 3-pointer. It's out of bounds. It's communication ng Magkawas and Kalangi. Rubia attacks. Rubia launches and it's good para dito kay Rubia. Areza gives the ball to Coronado. Coronado setting up the play and he finds Areza. Areza stops and launches that 2-pointer. Villanueva stops and fires a longer 3-pointer para dito kay Yuri Villanueva. It's a 14-point lead para dito sa Trotter, and Coronado answers back with a 3-pointer. Villanueva. Another try para dito kay Rubia. Still no good. And the timeout will be called by Liceo de San Pablo. We will be back after this timeout.
Ito ang mahina, dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola.
We are back after that timeout by Liceo. Coronado, that's short. Here comes Rubia, stops and tries another three-pointer, no good. Panganiban secures that rebound. We have a foul on jersey number 20, Montana. That will be Montaña's second personal foul and a warning for penalty para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Areza finds Coronado, back to Areza. Areza gives the ball to Soriano and Panganiban makakalusot sa ilalim, but he will be blocked by Villanueva. Rubia. And Rubia with 10 seconds to shoot. Saguilar. And here comes Recto on that follow-up. Still no good. Montana on another follow-up. Wala pa rin. Coronado gives the ball to Areza. To Magkawas on the other side. Magkawas launches a three. It's no good. Panganiban. Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound and follow-up for Panganiban is good. 5 seconds left for first half. And Villanueva launches, no good. That's it for second quarter. Official score is 35-26 and we'll be back for our second half only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. O pensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga liga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League.
And we are back to the ball game. This is the start of our third quarter. Kalangi and Mendoza is back inside. Soriano to open that third quarter. Hayden with 2 points. Villanueva gives the ball to Rubia. Rubia dancing it. Gives the ball back to Villanueva. Villanueva is fouled. And it's a whistle against Mab Mendoza. It's his first personal foul, first team foul. Villanueva from way downtown. That's no good. Rebound goes to just number 16 to Rubia. Still no basket for that 3-point area para dito kay Rubia. Mendoza, what a pass to Panganiban. 2 points. Play is down to 5 para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Relieta. Villanueva. Yuri dancing against the defense of Mab. Villanueva, no good. Masusundutan dito. Kalagi gives the ball to Coronado on the corner. Yes, sir! And that's a 7-0 run by Liceo, and Trotter will call a timeout.
Pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitre.
We are back after the timeout by Trotter. Here comes Relieta and the basket finally for Trotter X Batang Laguna. Ten seconds to shoot. Relieta. Miscommunication on Relieta and Rubia on that part. And that's Kalangi and another basket for Liceo. Rubia on another try, and he finally gets a 3-pointer para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Extending that lead to 5. Kalangi gives the ball to Coronado. It's a double foul. Double foul on called on jersey number 26, Villanueva, and jersey number 14, Mendoza of Liceo and Trotter. Coronado gives the ball to Panganiban. Kalangi asking for a screen. Kalangi to Mendoza. Soriano will have to launch that one. It's no good. Relieta to Rubia for another try. No good. Soriano secures that ball. Gives the ball to Kalangi. Kalangi lays it in. There's a foul. It's a foul on Reyes. Second personal foul. Second team foul. And that's Montana underneath for another basket for Trotter X Batang Laguna. Panganiban to Montana. Areza to Kalangi. Kalangi is fouled by Montana. That will be Montana's third personal foul and 13th foul for Trotter X Batang Laguna. Panganiban. Pass the ball to Kalangi. Kalangi dancing. Kalangi launches a three. It's no good. It's a technical foul on jersey number 18, Soriano. That will be Hayden's first personal foul. Technical shot for Reyes is good. Five seconds to shoot. Reyes penetrates. It's no good. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Kalangi handling that ball, gives the ball to Mendoza. And Mendoza penetrates. That's no good. And here comes Montana to Villanueva on that fast break. Awat na muli. Sa siyam ang kalamangan dito ng Trotter X Batang Laguna. Substitution para dito sa Liceo de San Pablo. Coronado and Bautista replaces Kalangi and Areza inside. Relieta to Montanya. Montanya! 2 points para dito kay Montanya. And a technical foul will be called on juice number 6. Coronado. First technical shot is no good. Second technical shot for Relieta is good. It's a 12-point lead para dito sa Trotter X Battle Laguna. With under 4 minutes left for the third quarter. Coronado on that letter. Coronado stops and fires a 3. It's no good. Relieta on that rebound. Gives the ball to Montanya. And Reyes spins and fires. And we have a foul on juice number 20, Montanya. That will be his 4th personal foul. Warning for graduate and warning for penalty para dito sa Trotter. Bautista 2. Panganiban. Panganiban finds Coronado. Coronado has to launch that one in 5 seconds. Coronado! 2 points. Rubia from way downtown, no good. Coronado secures that rebound. He gives the ball to Aaron Clyde. Fernandez to Panganiban. Panganiban penetrates and he gets a foul. It's a foul on Rubia. 3rd personal foul and a penalty for Trotter X Batang Laguna. First shot for Panganiban is good. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 para dito kay Lian Andre Panganiban. It's Villanueva. It's no good. Mendoza on that rebound. Mendoza trying to attack. Mendoza spins. And he gets a basket. Mike Asama pang foul. It's a foul on juice number 30, Relieta. That will be his first personal foul and a penalty for Trotter X Batang Laguna. The chance to complete a 3-point play is Mab Mendoza. Bonus shot is good para dito kay Mab. Villanueva. It's no good. Comes Coronado. Coronado stops and launches a three-pointer. It's no good. Villanueva will attempt another one. It's no good. Villanueva, mapapabalik ang bola. Villanueva attacks. Still no good para dito kay Yuri. And Aaron Clyde gets that rebound. Coronado gives the ball to Bautista. To Panganiban. Panganiban stops and launches. That's no good for Lian. Here comes Reyes. Reyes on that fast break is good. Coronado on the letter. Gives the ball to Mendoza. Mendoza dancing against the defense. Villanueva. It's in the basket, but there's a foul on jersey number 14. It's a foul on Villanueva. It's no good. Mendoza on that rebound gives the ball to Kalangi. And Kalangi stops and launches. It's too strong para dito kay Vince. 20 seconds left for third quarter. In Relieta. Gives the ball to Recto. Recto. What a pass to Bael. It's no good. Fernandez on that rebound. To Kalangi. Kalangi. Launches, that's no good. And that's it for third quarter. Official score is 52-45 in favor of Trotrex Batang Laguna, and we will be back for fourth and final quarter only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Yung mama nasa buhok, merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, liga.
And this is the start. Over fourth and final quarter. And you have a foul there. And now on the free throw line, we have Leon Andre Panganiban shooting two. First shot is good to open this fourth and final quarter para dito sa Liceo. Second shot, no good. Relieta on that letter. Relieta stops and launches a three. No good. Panganiban on that rebound. Gives the ball to Kalangi. To Soriano, that's too strong. And here comes Reyes on that fast break. No good. Soriano secures that rebound and a steal by Reyes. Still no good para dito kay Reyes. Tolentino couldn't handle that letter. Relieta gives the ball to the other side. Rubia! 4-3. Kalangi, what a pass to Hayden. There's a tap. Reyes launches, no good. Reyes recovers that ball. Reyes is fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 10, Tolentino. Just third personal foul and first team foul para dito sa Liceo de San Pablo. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 0, Reyes. Sorry, that's jersey number 10, Tolentino, who's fouled. Trotter ex-Batang Laguna securing an 11-point lead against Liceo de San Pablo. Kalangi gives the ball to Coronado. Coronado asking for a screen and he launches a three. It's too strong. Fernandez on that rebound gives the ball to Panganiban. 2 points. Relieta. Kalangi trying to attack Mendoza. Mendoza fakes Mendoza. Steal by Villanueva. Villanueva. It's a traveling violation. Here comes Panganiban. Panganiban spins. Panganiban attacks. 2 points. Kalangi. Kalangi on the fast break. Kalangi lays it in. No good. We have a foul. It's on jersey number 14, Mendoza. That will be Mavs' 4th personal foul. 2nd team foul. And Fernandez with a steal. Here comes Aaron Clyde on that fast break. Aaron Clyde, 2 points. Lead is down to 5 para dito sa Trotter ex-Batang Laguna. Villanueva gives the ball to Reyes, and Reyes will launch a 3. It's no good. Panganiban gets that rebound. Kalangi on the ladder. Kalangi asking for a screen. Kalangi, what a pass to Fernandez, but his blocked. And the timeout will be called by Liceo de San Pablo. And we will be back after this timeout on here on Velvet South Basketball.
nagbago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball.
Sorry, that's Kalangi launches a three. That's short. It's a line ball. That's a recto for two. Still no basket para dito kay Vince. Ten seconds to shoot, and Rubia will launch a three, and it's good. Kalangi lays it in, it's good. Rubia with back-to-back basket. Extending the lead back to 10 again. And Mendoza gets down that lead once again to 8. Relieta on the leather. Rubia tries another three. This time it's too strong. Kalangi finds Mendoza. Mendoza will launch a three. That's short. That's too strong, rather. Fernandez on that follow-up is good. Reyes to Rubia on the other side. Rubia launches. It's no good. Here comes Kalangi. Kalangi to Panganiban. Panganiban bounce pass to Mendoza. To Fernandez again. 2 points. And the timeout will be called by Trotter-X Batang Laguna. Official score is 64-60 in favor of Trotter-X Batang Laguna.
Ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sport.
Back to the ball game.
Relieta on the letter gives the ball to juice number 16. That's no good. Fernandez on the rebound. Kalangi lays it in. That's no good. And here comes Relieta. Relieta launches and he will be fouled. And it's a foul on juice number 16. It's on juice number 16, Fernandez. That will be Aaron's first personal foul and 13 foul para dito sa Liceo de San Pablo. First shot for Relieta is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound goes to Fernandez. Kalangi almost losing that ball to Relieta. Kalangi, what a pass to Mendoza! And it's now a one-possession ball game para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Villanueva. Ferrer on that follow-up is good. Making it a two-possession ball game. And here comes Panganiban. Inside is good. Relieta on that letter. Relieta dancing against the defense of Kalangi. And we have a whistle. It's a traveling violation para dito kay Montaña. A chance for Liceo de San Pablo to cut down the lead to 1 or even tie the ball game.
That's 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. With each shoot.
A 1-point lead para dito sa Trotter. Ten seconds to shoot. And Villanueva, 3 points. And Kalangi will answer back with a 3. It's no good para dito kay Vince. 4-point lead para dito sa Trotter X Batang Laguna. Relieta, malilibre sa gitna. What a pass to Ferrer. 2 points. And a timeout will be called by Liceo de San Pablo. Official score is 72-66 in favor of Trotter with 24 seconds remaining time for fourth and final quarter.
Williams kung pumasa, double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang.
And we are back after that time. And we are back after that timeout by Liceo de San Pablo. It's a 6-point lead by Trotter. Here comes Kalangi, stops and launches, and he will be blocked. So there's a foul on jersey number 9. Panganiban, that's his second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Personal foul warning for penalty. That's 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Villanueva. And that's it. 12 ball game. Our winner of the game is none other than Trotter X Batang Laguna. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 2, Rubia. And we will be back this afternoon with more basketball action for our Velvet Laguna Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament. Kaya naman, stay tuned mga ka-Velvet because we have more basketball actions only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga pa.